up like
What's poppin', my YouTube fam? It's your favorite BBW, and I am back with another freaking video. And today I'm going to show you guys how to get this highlighter green hair with one thing that I add extra to the little spice. I know it's been a while I ain't uploaded no videos. I've just been trying to get my stuff together, but we're not talking about that right now. I'm just go ahead and get into this video to show you guys how to do it. Okay, let's get into it. This hair is from the I Am Royal hair collection. I know you guys could not see this, so I'm going to make sure I post all the information that you need in the description, so y'all can go there for that. This hair is really great. I love this hair. It takes heat very well. It colors very well. I've did all of them, and it has not shedded at all. And I'm not just saying this. It literally has not shedded at all. I love this hair. This is a 12-inch. The bundles are 12-inch, and the closure is a 10-inch. I'm going to show you guys the length. That's the 12-inch. Okay, you guys, for the hair color that I'm using today, it's the brand Kiss Express, and it's lime green. You guys can get this at your local beauty supplier or wherever you choose. Alright, you guys, now you're just going to use a cup. It doesn't matter, or a bowl. It doesn't matter, whatever you choose. And then I'm going to use 3 things of that dye, of that lime green. And then I'm going to add conditioner. So you're pretty much using the conditioner to brighten the green to whatever color you want. As I'm putting the conditioner in there, you can see that the color is brightening. So you're basically going to use this as much as you want to what color you want it to be. Okay, the color is not really bright like I want it to be, so I'm just going to keep adding conditioner till I get it bright. I couldn't really do it on camera, but all I did here was just put the wig in a trash bag, and then I poured all the dye on top of the wig and just keep moving it around everywhere around the wig. I'm just constantly moving this bag around, making sure that all the dye gets on the hair. This is the easiest, laziest, quickest way to me, because you don't have to really touch anything or go piece by piece. You know, like you're just dyeing all of it at once. Okay, you guys, this is the final touch, the final color. After I let that that color sit on there for 15 minutes, I washed this hair twice. Make sure you wash it with shampoo and conditioner. And yep, this is it, guys.